Welcome to Mara's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make potato chops. To make potato chops we need fresh coriander, mustard oil, salt, chilli flakes and chat masala. I've got some mashed potatoes. I've boiled them and then mashed them, and now I'm going to put all my ingredients into it. Now I'm going to mix them all together. Now we are going to shape them. Now we're going to keep them in the fridge for 20 minutes. In a bowl we're going to put 6 tablespoons of ground flour, 2 tablespoons of flour, now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, salt for taste, pepper. Add some cold water and then mix. You should have a sloppy consistency. We're going to dip our potato chops in the butter. Next, put them into the oil. It should be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Here are our potato chops. They look yummy and delicious. Enjoy.